go, Piz. Sterling one, Sterling one. Good talk, good talk. Save it. I like the effort, Dink. One box. Ball's top center. Or top left, way top left. Top middle coming. Dink, pick him up if you can. Yeah, Sterling all the way across. Stop ball, side right, ball down. That's good, good talk, good talk. Way to work through it. Bill, go all the way over. Oh shit, coming down low, crash, crash, crash.
Let go. I got it.
No, hey. Help. Ball! Coming out top center, crash. Right back if you need it, right back. Middle. No, he's good. Good work, Bill. Fuck yeah, let's go. Good clear. Well, the second one, not the first one will not so much. All right. Let's go, Jake. Still got it. Top right. Top right. It's slow. One coming across the middle. Stick up, Jake. Coming down top right. Keep him wide. Force him wide. Drop in. Still got it. Top right. Ball's top right. Talk numbers. Hey, Alex one. Who's my two? Two's backside. Ethan two. Ethan's off. Hey. Middy's up top. Slough in. Touch the crease. Ball side right. Ball's top right. Hey, early here. Talk through it. Hey, Alex 1, Billy 2. Hold. Top right. Ball's down. Ball's up. Top right. Watch the crease.
Hey, Jesus. Wide open on you. Come on.
I don't know why I didn't pass it to you.
Fucking time.
On his back. Good clear, Bill. There you go, Billy. Absolutely. Find the matchup. Yeah, let's go, Jimmy. Hey, just talk numbers. Coming up the middle. Sterling one. Hold. Go. Good hold. Perfect, Sterling. Perfect, thank you. Ethan, you got it. That's our ball there, Ethan. Yep, that's ours. Top center, top right. Oh, shit. Hey, Ethan, you're gonna be splitting two down low, okay? Look, hey, Miller, crash all the way down. Good, okay, hey, now yeah, Miller, stay on him, work inside out, okay? Hey, we got two, one on the crease. Miller, go with him. I got backside, ball to next. Yeah, Piz, your own ball. Piz off. Piz box. Top left. Here you go, Tony. Adjacent. Good, switch, stay with him. Cutter, top left. Still there, top right. Stay on him. Sterling, you can go. Hey, Bill, split in two backside. Get out, get out, get out, get out, get out, get out. Oh, that was way on the line. Bill at X. Bill, it's you. Bill, it's you at X. Watch cutters, watch cutters. Side left. Oh. Yeah, nah, that's okay. Shit, I thought he missed high. I thought he missed high.
I saw it hit the line, so I broke up.
That's okay. That was absolutely on the line. So hopefully we'll just get one back later. Yeah. No, that was good defense, good talk, good rotate anyway. Yeah, it was, it was broke. Oh, it's a new head. Okay. Yeah. No, when in doubt, power cradle and Garrett. I'm always here for your help because I can move too. So I'm here as your help if you need it. Piz, go back to him. There you go.
Good look, guard.
Yellow, yellow. Top left. Top right. Top right. Miller, just drop straight in. Miller, get on ball. Miller, stop ball. Yeah. Help him out. One bounce. There we go. Yeah, he's not going to be scoring anything for you anytime soon. Easy as fucking saves. Good jump. Hey, talk to her. You guys are good. Dink, you got one? Yeah, you got middle, Dink. You got middle, Dink. Hey, one's gonna be coming box. One's all the way box, all the way over box. Yeah, Jimmy, eyes on him. Yeah, Sterling, you're good. We know where the home run is. We know where the home run is. Top left, coming down. Dink on ball. Dink on ball. One guy, top center. Alex, slide uphill. Drop it, drop it, drop it. Sterling, go. One man back. One midi back. One midi back. Hey, coming out of the box. Yep, stay back. Let's go. Oh. Drop. Hey, man in the middle. Yeah, Tony on ball. Tony on ball. Just keep him wide. Oh my God. Wheels, Tony, wheels. Yeah. That's really good. Don't need an apology to make it right. Yeah, Jake, yeah, Jake. Woo! There you go, Jake. Let's go, baby. Hey, good work. Yeah. Keep the talk up. Keep the talk up. Good work. Good run. Good run. That's the truth. All right, we got Sterling Point. Sterling Point on my go. On my go. Sterling on my go. That's withholding. Billy! Billy! Billy, all the way back! Top center coming down. Top left, split in two. Yeah, Sterling, rotate. Yeah, good stick.
Sorry, Jake.
Good stick. Oh, good stick. That's real nice. That's your save right there. Real nice. That's an effort play and a half. Uh-oh. Sterling one, hold. You can go early, go early. Actually, never mind. Yeah, he was there. Good no-go, good no-go.
Shot. Deep. Look up. Go.
Slow. Yeah. You got all the time in the world, Right there in the middle. Smart. Good. Oh, big save. Goalie's got it, top center. Yeah, Dink, eyes on him, you're good. Play the man. Talk through it, play the man. Ball's top center, it's loose. You got it, TC. Still loose. Stay off his back. Drop in. Hey, all the way low. Alex, crash. Let's go, that was fun.
They're gonna give it to him.
Let's go, baby. Oh, I had that all the way. That felt good. Drop, talk through it, turn. Dink, stopping ball, no break. Dink, ball's down. Yeah, there you go, Dink. Nobody on you. One coming on your back. One on your back. Ah, slow ball. Okay, talk through it. Top center. Drop. Sterling, early one. Hey, just got to the hole. Bill, over. Top center. Ball's down. Top right. Wheels. Top right, TC. Yellow. Good talk. Good work, Ethan. Hey, that's what I like to see there, Dink. That's nice. What do you say to top center? Ethan one, drop. All right, okay, rotate. Bill's one, yeah, stay top right. Stay heavy on, hey, everybody else come in. Everybody else come down, work inside out. Yeah, Bill, stay on him. Don't, yeah. Hey, slow 2-on-1. Slow 2-on-1 right here. Good luck. Hey, way to be heavy on there, Sterling. Good work. Good job, Ethan. Way to talk through that, too. Oh, let's go, Piz! Yeah, that's not gonna do it. Hey, all three are going box. Miller, split two in the middle. Yeah, talk through in the middle. One box. Alex, be up on him. Go up on him. All the way up on him. Oh, you can't let that happen. Drop. Hey, both side left. down, top center. Yeah, we're good. Good work, good work, good work. Holy fucking shit. What's up, dude? When'd you get here?
Literally just rolled up.
Oh, well, welcome.